Hello, Blender enthusiasts. So today I want to show you a workflow where, with the use of mirror modifiers, you are able to build any symmetrical object, and it's very efficient. This kind of workflow is used in Max and Maya, and I'll show you how that works in Blender. Let's go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and then here, let's search for Mirror. So once the mesh AutoMirror comes on, make sure that it's checked on, and then you can close your preferences. Let's go ahead and make our base object or the starting object. It can be a cube or plane. Doesn't really matter very much. And now we are able to set up our mirror workflow. So for that, I'm going to press N, and I'm going to go to Edit tab that appeared once you, in Preferences, checked the mirror thing on. So, and now here, I'm going to apply my AutoMirror first on X positive, and then I'm going to do the same thing on Y positive. And that gives me this section that controls the entire geometry. So I'm going to now select the verts, press G, move this up. So, and that's going to be the seat of the taburet that I'm about to build. So then I'm going to go to face mode, select this face, and then press Shift D to duplicate it. So I need to scale it now, but you see it's scaling kind of weird. So the reason for that is in our modifiers, we need to turn off clipping. And so since we apply modifiers twice, we need to turn off clipping twice. So now if I press S, I'm able to scale correctly. And I'm going to hold Control, so that will scale this at even increments. So let's do 2. That's fine. So go to top. I can now move my face with G. I'm going to turn off the Z-axis, Shift Z, hold Control, place it right there. And I can now simply extrude this. And you can see that I have 4 legs, which is perfect, just exactly what I want. Also, taburets, the thickness of the bottom, usually the bottom is tapered a little bit, so let's scale it a little. All right, awesome. And then there is the structural box that is built that holds the legs together. So, and let's go ahead and create that. And the way to do it, again, I'm going to get this one of those interfaces, press Shift D. And now I'm going to invert my selection and hide everything but that face. So the reason, so that when I adjust it, nothing else kind of gets on the way. So what I want to do, I want to move this edge up. So I'm going to press G, and I'm going to press G again, and now I'm able to use my edge as a guide. So that's cool. So now I'm going to select this and scale it on X just a little bit, and then with Alt H, I unhide everything that I hit just a second ago. And what I want to do, and I want to take this face and I want to extrude it this way. So, and for that, I actually may want to have my clipping on. So, and I'm going to press E to extrude and extrude to the center, and it meets at the center. So, and here's another trick in this flow. I'm going to place my 3D cursor with Shift S cursor to select it in this face. I'm going to select with L this beam that I just made. I'm going to turn off clipping. I'm going to change my pivot to 3D cursor. I'm going to duplicate the beam with Shift D, press R for rotation, Z 90 minus. All right, and now I have box going all the way around. And that's it. So that's a workflow, and using this method, you can build a unicorn, or you can build a car or a bookshelf. So anything that has symmetry. All right, I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I will talk to you later. Bye.